Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with the new Dollar General coupon matchups. These are the coupon matchups for this week. These are the best deals that we saw in the new coupons. Not every single coupon that we did receive today. Some accounts will have different coupons. We have seen that time and time again with Dollar General. I will link in the description box to previous week's coupons that are on our website. These are, again, just the best for each week. On the website, we update it every week, but I will link that below for you. Let's jump right into our matchups. We have a 3 off 2 Crest, so if you buy 2 of the Crest Pro Health, you will pay just $5. We have a 3 off 2 Pantene, so the 2 Pantene that you see here would be just $9 after your coupon. Then we have our Garnier Fructis, which is a 3 off 2 coupon. For 2 of them, you would pay $5. We also have a 3 off 2 Garnier Whole Blends, so if you buy 2 of the Whole Blends, that would be just $7 out of pocket. Nivea has a 2 off 1 coupon. The $5.75 Nivea Soft Body Lotion would be $3.75. We have a $1 off 1 Band-Aid. We have a $3.50 Band-Aid 60 count that you can get for $2.50. Listerine has a $1 off 1 coupon, working on the $6 size, making that just $5. Then we have a $1.50 off 1 Polygrip, making that just $4.50. The Aspercreme has a 3 off 1, making it just $1. Poise Pads has a 2 off 1, and you can get the 650 pack for just $4.50. Gold Bond has a 2 off 1 coupon, working on the $5.50 size, making it just $3.50. Icy Hot has a 3 off 1 coupon, making it just $4.25. And as always, make sure you scan the items to make sure they are attaching to your coupons. Pro Enamel Sensodyne has $1 off, making it just $4.25. Then we have Children's Motrin. The $8 size is just $6 after your $2 coupon. Advil, and this is the coated tablets, 3 off 1 coupon, making them $4.50. Mucinex has $1 off 1. It's working on the $8.50 size, and I believe there's a sale going on there as well. Excedrin has $1.50 off 1. We have the $5.25 size, making it $3.75. Aleve, $1.50 off 1, making that just $4. Then we have the Zarbee's $2 off 1 coupon, making the chest rub just $6. The Theraflu Severe Cold Nighttime Berry flavor is $8.50, and we have the $2 off 1 coupon, making it just $6.50. Then we have the Coricidin, a $2.50 coupon, making that just $9.25. Claritin Non-Drowsy, $5 off coupon, making the $20 size just $15. Then we have Aleve, which has a $4 off coupon. $12, I believe, is the cheapest one that will attach to this coupon, making it $8. Bayer Aspirin has $1.50 off of 1 coupon, making that just $4.50. Obviously, you have to add tax to items that is different in every state. Advil, the children's Advil, has $1.50 off 1 coupon, making it just $4.75. Unisom has a 3 off 1 coupon, making that just $3.35. Pepto-Bismol has a 50-cent coupon, making it just $2.50. Huggies Diapers has a $1.50 off of 1 pack, and you can get the 1050 size of the Snug and Dry for just $9. Pull-Ups has that $1.50 off 1 coupon as well, making them just $10.50. All Laundry Detergent, these are the packs, have a $1.50 off of 1 coupon, making them just $3. Suavitel has the $1 off 1 coupon, making it just $3. Then we have the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer with a $1.50 off of 1 coupon, making that just $3.50. Up next, we have $2 off one Purex. It is working on the $10 size, making that just $8. This next one is $1 off of one Charmin. It is working on the $7.95 size, making it $6.95. Lysol wipes has $1 off one, making them just $4. Kleenex has $1 off one 3-pack, and it's working on the $6 size, making that just $5. Then we have Gain coupons. We have the store coupon and a manufacturer coupon. If you have both those coupons, you would pay $3.45 for the 550 size. Tide has $1 off one coupon. This is a store coupon as well, so that would be $4.50. We also have a store coupon for the Tide Simply, and it is working on the Tide Simply Sensitive, making it $7.25. Then we have a $2.05 off of one and a $3 off one on the Tide. One is a store and one is a manufacturer coupon. We also have $3 off one Tide, making the $15.95 size just $12.95. Then we have $1 off one True Living Low Splash Bleach or regular bleach, making that just $5.25. Up next, we have $3 off 2 of the Mountain Dew, which are on sale as well, making them $11 for 2. Pepsi, you can buy one Pepsi or Mountain Dew 18-pack. The Pepsi would be $8.50. Propel water, buy 2, get 1 free. So you would get 3 actually on this one, and you would pay $4. Then we have a deal here. If you buy the 1 liter Pepsi and the Cheetos Mini, your subtotal would be $4.60, but we have that 3 off 2 Pepsi Lay's coupon, making it $1.60. And for this last deal that we have here, the Stouffer's is $8.50. You're going to get 2 of those. The Hot Pockets is $3.50 and the Nesquik is $3.25. We have that $5 off when you spend $15, so you would pay $10.25 out of pocket. As I said, that was the last deal that we have for you for this week. Let me know in the comments, are you planning on shopping during the week or waiting till Saturday? How is your weather where you are? Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you get notified when we put out new content. You can find us on Facebook, Telegram, and rolloutsavings.com. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Till next time, bye guys.